7 Sigma. Offgrid.
Pickles. The first pickles.
Okay.
She tired of me, y'all. She gonna leave me.
Oh, I am recording. Anyway.
She gonna leave me on the next midnight train
To Georgia.
For too much. I wears her out.
For real.
Yeah, that's my child.
These bins wore us out.
This weekend wore us out.
Yeah. So, wait a minute. Welcome back to our channel. We have been working on the compost bins and we've been having a hard time getting the bins together. Mm-hmm. We had a lot of challenges in regards to trying to work on a slope.
Mm-hmm. And just in general, just a challenging weekend.
Yeah.
I learned to have more supplies of small things that you don't think of, like fuses, gaskets. I got my butt kicked with that water pump again. Keeps blowing the fuse.
Yeah.
And it's not the pump. It is the 12-volt cigarette lighter cable that you purchased from Amazon that has a 10-amp fuse in it. Blown a couple of those already. But hey, you need to keep a bunch of fuses. And I solved that by buying a whole box load of fuses. But that's good to know people who don't know this kind of stuff. Washers, fuses, batteries. I bought like 3 of them already and they keep blowing fuses. So, go ahead and spend the money and get something right as opposed to being cheap and just buying little $3 cables because you get what you pay for. Especially
with stuff like this, Homestead stuff, definitely get quality stuff. It's not going to benefit you if you go the cheap route. I understand going the cheap route, but you're going to pay for it later because you're going to end up having to replace it and you may end up spending more money if you don't just buy something quality and it'll last long. Yes.
Tell them about it. Shit hits the fan. You're not well prepared with cheap stuff.
Yes.
And all hell breaks loose.
Yes.
And there is no Amazon and there is no going to the store. And then you're just sitting there looking stupid like me this weekend with no fuses for last weekend.
Yeah.
This weekend I had fuses.
All of what he just said.
All of that.
But going back to our bins, one of the challenges that we had was some of the screws that they gave us didn't have threading on it.
Smooth.
And some of them didn't have the
threading on top to put
a hexan in there. And we had to move locations several times. We were in front of the house, on the side of the house, just
everywhere. There's no videos online anywhere. So I guess we're going to have the first video on building these modular compost bins. We'll be the first.
Yeah.
But once you get it together, it's really not that bad.
We love Vego. The compost bins are beautiful. I love them. Check all of your screws. Make sure you have all the equipment that you need. And then also read the manual before you get started.
Mm-hmm. Study the manual.
Study the manual.
Yep. And that was our fault.
Yeah, that was our fault because we kind of dove right in. Mm-hmm. And the reason why we dove right in is because we were trying to get too many things done at one time.
Again.
So
whose fault is it?
Our fault.
No, my fault. Whose fault is it?
Our fault.
Whose fault is it?
Our fault.
Blame me, damn it.
Our fault.
Blame me.
We're a team.
I'm accountability man. Accountability man.
Yeah, just take your time. Take your time.
You can watch some of our F-ups coming right here. 6, 7, 8. All right, inside. So let's go under and up. Or down. Yep, under and up, all right. Ready.
I feel like we're always building something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like we only at 1. Oh my gosh.
Ash hands.
What are you singing?
Funky beat. Houdini.
No.
Give me a bootleg screw.
What you mean?
The screw ain't even knocked all the way out. Wow. You sucker.
Good job, Peggy.
Look at the screw. I didn't get the metal out of the hole.
No, sure didn't. Well, maybe they got some extra ones.
They're better. You see that?
Okay, can you,
ashy fingers.
I need the tightener.
I'm trying to show my ashy fingers.
Oh.
You see that? That's a shame. Forget about this screw. Look at that ash.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Can you give me the tightener, please?
I'm trying to tighten.
Oh.
You wait. Here, go ahead. I gotta find another screw.
Yeah, you got screw issues. All right, we got 1 bin complete.
It took 2 hours.
It didn't take necessarily 2 hours, but it took us a while. Okay, guys, we have 2 compost bins up and done. As you can see, they look very nice. However, we did run into a snafu. We ran into a problem with our 3rd bin. We do not have all the parts to finish our 3rd bin. We're missing 8 of these.
They're super tiny.
There go our 2 compost bins, and they're very small compared to our pallets. We were just building compost with pallets and probably didn't need all that space, but
we're not real farmers.
This is a good starting point for us. All right, guys, so we made a boo-boo. We did not read the manual, and we put our compost bins together incorrectly. So lesson to everyone, read the manual first before you put anything together, because we just looked at the pictures and I know that's very ignorant of us.
This is easy.
However, it was easy, and it still is easy to put together.
We just goofed. We didn't read the manual.
We just goofed. We didn't read the manual. So we're going to fix our goof. And when we said that they didn't give us all the right parts, we have all the right parts. We just need to do it correctly. So
they didn't goof. We goofed.
Yeah.
Read.
All right, guys, so we finished our bins. We have 2.
We didn't finish nothing.
So we have 2 bins that are open, as you can see here, and then 1 fully closed. And now we're on to the next process.
Putting these little joints on.
What are those for?
The removable bottom row where you can reach in and scoop out your stuff.
They don't require any screws.
Nah, you just slide them in.
Cool beans.
Come on here, get the slide.
Not to get the sliding. You look like you're doing such a fine job. You're doing a fine job, sir.
You fix all of that.
All right, guys.
Is it
Okay, guys. This was an epic fail. We did not put our bins together correctly. Yeah, we put a lot of time and effort into this. We did not put them together correctly. So we have to take them completely down all the way and start all over.
Just pissed.
These flaps should be on the outside. So basically we have to take all of these and flip them this way.
Yeah.
And it is 4, 8, 12, 16 on each one.
And then we have to figure out how to, because we still didn't figure out
Oh,
how
to connect them to work once these aren't in the way.
How do you connect them though? Have you figured that out?
Yep. Anyway, we got to flip these and everything to make sense.
So yeah, it was an epic fail, and sometimes that happens. That's life. C'est la vie.
Especially when you're rushing. Trying to do too much in one day.
Yeah, we were rushing, trying to do a lot in one day. And we just didn't take the time to do our due diligence, which we always talk about, doing your due diligence. We did not do our due diligence. If you get a compost bin, just make sure you take the time to really sit down, read the manual.
Look
online, all of that. Do your due diligence. But I will say you do have to take these parts, because we put them on the inside. We need to put them on the outside, and also they need to be flipped over. So 2 things that we did wrong with these bins. So yeah. Oh well.
It happens.
Next week. Bins, and we are going to complete that at another time. Just take a break, take a breather. Sometimes you need to take a breather and come back to some things, because sometimes you can just get frustrated and you can't think straight. You're trying to get things done quickly, and sometimes you just need to take a step back, walk away from it, and then come back to it to complete it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to walk away for a minute.
It ain't that bad. We just got our butt kicked a little bit. It's all good.
Yeah, and it's just because we're tired and it's hot.
Don't nobody care about none of that.
I know.
We just got our butt kicked.
Because we're tired and we're hot.
No excuses. Sometimes you just take that L with no excuses.
Yeah, we're going to take our L.
No excuses needed.
It's okay.
Mike Tyson just said, boop.
We'll take our L. I'll take the L. He'll take the L.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll just come back and try to go for a W.
It'll be done this weekend.
It'll be done this weekend.
Watch, guaranteed.
But we just want to say
guarantee it.
Thank you so much for being patient.
Guarantee it.
We guarantee it.
There you go.
Thank you for being patient and following us on all of our mistakes.
We're the Mistake Channel. You learn from us. You learn what not to do.
Don't do what we did.
Don't do what we do. And that's a great lesson for you guys.
Yes.
Continue to not do what we do, and you'll be fine.
That's true. Bye.
Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.